All right. I'm going to be continuing with what we started in class, the linear programming application question. All right. So the first thing though that you need to identify are your variables, your x and y. So in this case, we are actually given the variables. They are already assigned to what we're talking about, what the question is requesting. But let's read on. A new school has X day students and Y boarding students. So that means your day will be X, your boarding will be Y. So a fees for a day scholar is 600 a term, 600 per kid. So that would be 600X in this case. And the fee for a boarding student are 1,200 per kid. So that would be 1,200 Y, right? So the school needs at least, so the smallest amount they need is 720,000. So, yeah, 720,000. So how do we formulate an equation for this? Okay, let's read, let's go to question A here. It says, show that this information can be written like this. But then, initially, we know that we have 600 and 1,200. So let me just write it here. 600x plus 1,200y should be greater than or equal to 720,000. Yeah? So we divide by 600, divide by 600, divide by 600. So it will be x plus 2y, and that will be 700, 100, 200, 1,200. And you see, that's exactly, it says just show, so we've just shown right there. We've just shown, we can just, I just wanted to have enough space. Okay, so we've shown. Let's go to B. The school has a maximum. A maximum. So a maximum would be we need anything less than or equal to a maximum of 900 students. But remember, we have both day students and boarding students, which is X and Y. Write down an inequality in X and Y to show this information. So that means we're going to have X plus Y should be less than or equal to what? Or equal to 900. Okay? That's our second inequality there. And then now they say draw the two lines on the grid below and write the letter R in the region which represents these. Okay? So we have to draw this and that. Right? So how are we going to draw this one? Using the intercept method. If I want to find the x-intercept, y will be 0, so x will be equal to 1,200. So x will be there, 1,200. And if I want to make the y-intercept, x will be 0, divide by 2, divide by 2, y will be 600. So y will be 600. So we can see here it's 200 intervals, 2, 4, 6. So that will be your 600. So there is my 600 there. Okay? So then you join the 2. Right? So that's the first one. And the second one, if I want to find the x-intercept, x is equal to 900. X 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so 900 would be somewhere there. And y will be 900. So my 900 is there. Okay? So, by the way, as I always tell you, mark or label your lines. So that would be x plus 2y 1,200. And the second one, okay, remember, if it's equal to, so it's greater or equal to, it's solid, so that's why both of them are solid. But now let's talk of the inequality. We want to find now which side of the line satisfies the inequality. Let's start with the first one. So here, that's the one. So let's choose a point. Let's just choose a point. If we choose 0, 0, below this line, let's choose a point 0, 0. This point is below. You have to choose a point below or a point above. By the way, we are only going to shade the unwanted part. So let's just substitute here. Let's choose a point here. If we say 0 and 0, so that will be 0 is greater than, right? So is this true? No, it's false. So that means I will shade this part because it's false, right? So here I am shading that part. Okay, now let's come to this one. There is my line there, and let me choose 0, 0 again. So that will be 0 plus 0, 0. 0 is less than 900, right? So it's true. 0 is less than 900. So this is the part I need. So the part I do not want is that one on top. So here it is. Okay. So where is my R? The unshaded part is that one. So that's it. There is my solution to that. So I have my R, and by the way, I have to identify that equation there. That will be x plus y